supposed to be another throwaway, but when the deed was done, you couldn't go away. This one had a mysterious past and superior class. She wasn't trying to leave your pockets thin, but there's something about loyal girls with chocolate skin. Forget about her. She wants to see you cry.
Is that a dinosaur?
Are you scared?
What is that?